welcome to Radford College's impressive new multi-purpose hall in Canberra. I'm Jed, and I'm here to showcase the culmination of a project that saw Syndeticom design, supply and install a state-of-the-art AV system including 2 LED walls and a comprehensive audio system. Joining me here today is David Bircher, the head of AV at Radford College. David, it's a pleasure to have you here with me today. David, let's start by understanding the driving factors behind Radford College's decision to embark on this project.
Our primary goal was to create a versatile and technologically advanced space that would cater to the diverse needs of our school community. We wanted the space that could accommodate a wide range of events, from school assemblies and performances to conferences and community gatherings.
How significant is this project to Radford College, its students and the whole community?
This project is a testament to Radford College's commitment to providing students and the wider community with the best possible facilities. The new multi-purpose hall will serve as a hub for innovation, creativity and collaboration, fostering a vibrant learning environment for our students and enriching the lives of our community members.
Can you elaborate on the specific purpose for the space and the anticipated experience for its users?
We envisage this space as a dynamic and engaging environment where students can showcase their talents, engage in interactive learning experiences, and connecting with their peers. The advanced AV system will allow us to host immersive events that will inspire, educate, and entertain our users.
Let's take a look at the impressive AV technology that has been installed in this space.
The AV system in this multi-purpose hall is truly state-of-the-art. We've installed 2 stunning LED walls that provide high-resolution visuals for presentations, performances, and video displays. The audio system is equally impressive, with a powerful sound system that can fill the entire hall with clear, crisp audio.
David, what were the challenges that were encountered in bringing this project to life?
One of the biggest challenges was ensuring that the AV system was seamlessly integrated into the design of the hall. We wanted the technology to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, and Syndeticom was instrumental in achieving this balance. The Syndeticom team has been fantastic to work with. They were always responsive to our needs and provided valuable insights throughout. They were also very flexible in accommodating our changing requirements. Syndeticom's expertise, experience and commitment to quality were instrumental in the success of this project. They were a true partner from start to finish.